This is example 8.9. If A is a vector 5i minus 2j plus 3k, B is a vector 3i plus j minus 2k, and C is a vector I minus 3j plus 4k, determines A dot B cross C. First of all, let's try to understand the meaning of A dot B cross C. In terms of absolute value, this is actually the volume of the parallel pipe formed by A, B, and C. Suppose if I have a parallel pipe, this is vector B here, this is vector C here, so we can form a parallelogram in this case. Alright, the area of the parallelogram magnitude of B cross C. Now, let's say this vector A here, and then you have what we call a parallel pipe now. So it looks something like this. I've used color to show you the line. And so this join together to form a parallel pipe. And the volume of this parallel pipe is magnitude of A dot B cos C. Let's try to calculate by hand. First of all, the B cross C is a determinant with ijk on the first row, B, which is 3y minus 2 on the second row, and C, which is 1 minus 3, 4 on the third row. And then you do the 3 by 3 determinant with expansion I minus j and k. Now the entries first is you cover up the first column, you get 1 minus 2 minus 3, 4. And then you cover up the second column to find the entry to be 3 minus 2, 1, 4. And then you cover up the third column, you find 3, 1, 1 minus 3. And then evaluate the 2 by 2 determinant, you get B cross C equal to 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. So you have minus 2i. And then 12 plus 2, you get 14. So you get minus 14. So this one should be a minus 14j. Okay, 12 plus 2 is 14. So this one is a minus 14j here. And then for k, you get minus 3, minus 1, you get minus 10. So the minus 10k. Here's how you find B cross C. Then A dot B cross C, where A is equal to 5i minus 2j plus 3k, and we find out B cross C is minus 2i minus 14j minus 10k. So when you do a dot product, you multiply 5 with minus 2, then you get minus 10 plus, then you multiply minus 2 with minus 14, altogether you get 28 now, and then you multiply 3 with minus 10, you get minus 30 now. So altogether, this is equal to minus 40, okay, plus 28, you get minus 12. Okay, so if you want to find the volume of the parallel pipe formed by A, B, and C, you just take the absolute value, will do. Here is the demonstration using Classwiz. First, you go to the menu and select vector. So vector is icon number 5. Then equal. Then you try to define vector A, B, C. All the vector A, B, and C are 3-dimensional vector. So let's try to define A first. So choose one. A is 3-dimensional vector. So the first entry is 5, then -2, then 3. So this is the first vector. Then after finish the first vector, you press AC, vector A. Now continue another vector now, option, vector B. Adding a vector now. So what you do is 2 now, vector B. Okay, 2. Dimension is 3. So vector B is 3, enter, then 1, and then -2. Okay, after you finish, press AC, and then press option again. I want to edit vector again, number 2. This time I want to edit vector C, so 3. Dimension of vector 3, C is 3. This time C is 1 -3, 4. So 1 -3 and 4. I finish editing all the vector already. Press AC. Now let's do a calculation. I press option. I want vector A now. A dot B equals C. So I have vector A. I want the vector A, 3, vector A. Option again. Uh, dot product. Okay, move down. Dot product. Then open bracket. Vector B. So select vector B now. Cross. Then option again. Vector C. Then close the bracket. All right. Then equal. So the answer is -12.